We'll guide you through how to use Face ID to install apps on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you want to go and use Face ID to install apps from the App Store. This can make it much easier and quicker in order to go and get apps, because otherwise you have to go and enter in your password every time. So with Face ID, you can simply go and scan your face and go and use that as the authentication and verification. So we can go and enable this. I'll just show you what currently happens. So if we go and open up the App Store, then I can go and scroll down and I can go and find an app. For example, I'll come to apps or games here. I'll swipe across and let's say I go and press get. You go and see, we then go and get this pop up. I'll press install and I then am prompted to go and enter in my password. That can just get annoying. So what we can do is go and close this off. We can't actually do this in the App Store settings itself, so come out of it. Now, what you need to do is go and open up your settings like so. And in settings, now what we need to do is go and scroll down and you just go and find the option for Face ID and passcode. If you can't see it, it's because the allow changes to Face ID and passcode have been restricted in the screen time settings. So you just go and turn that off and allow changes to them. Then we can tap on it, enter in your passcode. Then once we do that, you need to make sure you got Face ID set up. So if I go and scroll down, you can see I've got the option reset Face ID. If it isn't currently set up, it will say set up Face ID. And you can tap there and you can then go and set it up by scanning your face. Then you want to come into this section, use Face ID for, and find iTunes and App Store. And you can then go and switch it on to the right. And just to go and verify this, you need to go and sign into your Apple account. So I'll go and enter in my password now. After you've done that, you can then go and confirm it, and that's it. So now if we come out of the settings here, we come and return to the App Store. Let's go and press get next to an app. Then it will now go and say, double click to install. And then what will happen is you'll go and scan your face. And as you can see, that's now going to verify it and it's now downloading. So you don't need to go and enter in your password. It's that simple. So that's it. And you can go and repeat that and do it with paid apps as well.